you're looking to upgrade your RV's lighting setup with something that's both stylish and energy efficient, you're going to want to check this out. Today, we're taking a new look on two of our 12-volt LED lighting options that bring both function and modern style to your rig. The wall sconce and the pendant ceiling light, both finished in a sleek satin nickel. This is a great option for spaces like your kitchen, dining area, or entryway. It gives your RV a modern residential feel without sacrificing low power usage. What makes these two lights even better? They pair together perfectly. Whether you're designing a cohesive look or just want a clean, modern style throughout your space, the matching satin nickel finish and the soft LED glow help but tie everything beautifully together. One of the best parts, both of these lights are super easy to install. They're designed specifically for 12-volt RV systems with a simple 2-wire setup that most DIYers can handle without a problem. If you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click in the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.